Did you know that it is possible to get a full 9 in your IELTS listening? Well, in today's class, I'm going to tell you the different strategies that I adopted to get a full 9. So, let's find out. Hello everyone, my name is Noel and welcome to Genesis Learning. I'm one of the expert trainers here at Genesis Learning. If this is the first time you are coming to our channel, well, thank you so much. In this channel, we give you the strategies that are needed to crack different exams like the IELTS, the OET and the PTE. So if you are a student who is looking to crack any of these exams, please consider subscribing. I have already covered everything that you need to know about the listening in a different video. So please do make sure to check that out before coming into this one. The first strategy is start your preparation much before the exam. There are many accents in the English language. However, the most important one is the British accent. And the best place to get that is from BBC News or from different IELTS podcasts. Make sure that you are listening to these for a very long period of time. Because when you listen to it, you get used to the accent and eventually your listening will become very easy for you. The second strategy is predict the words in the answer options. Look out whether the answer is a noun, a verb or an adjective. You don't have to be always right, but by understanding the word type, you can prepare your brain for what you should look out for. The third strategy is to listen and write together. Well, as you know, the listening goes really quick and you have to take down notes very fast. Now, how do we do this when you're practicing it by yourself? All you have to do is listen to the news or the podcast, and as they speak, try to quickly jot down the main points. In this way, you can get a good understanding of what you can expect for the exam. The fourth strategy is beware of the speaker's mind changes. For the listening, you will have a lot of talking that is going on in the video. And sometimes the speakers are very confused and they keep changing their minds, saying, oh, I think this is the one. Oh, I think that is the one. You have to pay careful attention before zeroing in on your answer. The fifth strategy is spelling is vital. Spellings are very, very important in the IELTS listening. Make sure that you write the correct spelling, else your entire answer can go wrong just because of one alphabet. So please make sure you've got the right spelling. And how do you check it? Well, for your practice sessions, always use the internet to find out the spellings of certain words. The sixth strategy is use your 10 minutes time wisely. As you know, at the end, you will get 10 minutes to transfer your answers. Make sure you use that time properly to proofread your answers. Check your spellings, your grammar, and everything to make sure that you've got the right answer. The seventh strategy is to write neatly. If you are a person who is not that very good with handwriting, well, the best thing that you can do is to write the answer in capital letter. This can be applied for anyone, irrespective of your handwriting. If you need authentic material to help you in your IELTS listening and the strategies to get that good score, then all you have to do is get in touch with us. Log on to our website www.mygenesislearning.com and drop us an enquiry and check out our different packages that we have for the IELTS exam. The materials that we use on our website are authentic and our staff are all equally trained, including myself. I have used these strategies and that is how I managed to get a 9 in my IELTS listening. And I'm confident that with the right method and the practice, even you can get that 9. If you've got some value out of this entire video, please go ahead and hit that like button. Let us know your feedback in the comment section right below. If you found this informative, then please go ahead and share it with all your friends. Till we meet again, this is your tutor, Noel, signing out. Ciao.